Hey, what's good, guys? So in this video I'll be raising this 87 cents, and we'll just see how far we can take this 87 cents to. So this is a very nice entry here. I've spotted something nice. It's a bearish flag. So as you can see, it has finished forming, but there's still an opportunity. That's where I saw this entry here. So this is a BOR. A BOR just means breakout retest. So we've had this breakout, and then now that's just the retest. We headed to the downside test. So I've just marked that area there. Then we'll just put our TP just there, and yeah, it's a clear bearish flag, because the overall trend, we still in a downtrend. So we must not go against the trend. So we're still in a bearish trend. So this is still a supported trend, so we can enter and just capitalize on it. So it's still a supporting trend. It's still a supported trend, bearish trend. So yeah, we can just enter there and then just capitalize, move with the market all the way to the downside, or we can even just hold it, let it reach to the downside there. So yeah, but for now we'll just put the TP at the next area of confluence, which is exactly there, because at this level here, this happened. We've had this retest here, so there's high chance that when the market gets there, it'll want to come back down here, go up again to retest this level, further push into the downside. So since we are just scalping, we'll just use that opportunity to just scalp a little bit, and then just let the market give us what we need when it gets to our TP level there. So for now we just hold. This is a clear setup. Yeah, for now we just hold. So this is where we are now, running in $3 equity. I think it's best if I can just close this and then enter again, so that if we have any pullbacks, then we won't really be affected by what the market does. So just go ahead and sell the market, so that if there's any pullbacks, we are now safe from those pullbacks. And then TP still on the same level as it was before. So right now, even if the market decide to push back to this level, we'll still be on the safe side. So yeah, this is just where we are, and let's just hold and see what the market gives us. Yo, what's good, guys? So this is where we're at now. We've just managed to double this account, and yeah, let's just have a look. So this is where we are now. So from 87 cents we went to $3, and then from $3 we've managed to double up the account. And I think it's just safe for us to just close. Looks like we are halfway to our target. We are halfway close to our target. So yeah, it's just halfway to the target. And yeah, so there's a strong area of confluence, or strong level of support here. So the market is really struggling to break that level. So it might play around at that level for quite some time before it breaks it to the downside. So let's just go ahead and close this. So we've closed at $7.12. On the last trade, we've managed to close at $7.12. So let's just have a look at volatility 150 1 second. I've spotted something nice forming here. I've spotted this beautiful trend forming here. So we've had this double bottom here that formed, indicating that the market is now reversing. So for the longest time we've been pushing down on this thing. So when we see this double bottom, it indicates a reversal. Now the market has to reverse. We now start looking for buying opportunities. As well, there's this level here. I see that the market broke this high, creating this higher high here. This higher high is also higher than that high here, so indicating that the market has bullish power. But now we just gained momentum with this pullback here to further push to the upside. So if we look at the 1 hour time frame, it's much visible on what the market is trying to do there. So it's much clear what the market is trying to do at that particular stage there. So as we can see, the market is preparing to push to the upside in completing the whole trend here. So this is just a clear setup. As you can see, the market here failed to push to the downside, indicating that this certain level here is a strong level of support. So this level here is a strong level of support, because the market first came here, retested, pushed to the upside, came back again here, it failed to break. So it's confirmed that there's high chance it will further push to the upside. So we'll just use that opportunity to buy this thing. So this is just my analysis. So for now, we just wait and see what actually happens. So this is where we are now. We'll just let the market do what it has to do, and then and then after a very long time, we were finally in some profits. The market pushed to the upside, but there's just something here that happened. You see this candlesticks here, these are all stop hunts. So whenever you're trading, just leave room for disappointment, because when we enter a trade, we just automatically think that the market will push to the upside at the exact level where we've entered, and it doesn't really work like that. So the market really pushed up, but it was after a very long time. As you can see, our entry was there, but the market decided to play around, go even down here. But because we didn't go full margin on this, we were not really affected that much. So we still managed to carry on, and then the market came back inside the trend line, and then now we headed to the upside. But I'm just satisfied with what I'm seeing here. I'm just going to go ahead and just close this, and we'll just look for another opportunity elsewhere. So now we are on another index here, which is volatility 10 1 second. So this is our $10.60. I just want to explain something here, because I've spotted a trap here. So what the market does is that you're going to draw your trend lines like this, and then see that the market broke out, and then now that's a retest, but that's a false move, and this is actually a fake out. So this is actually a fake out. We had a touch here, and a touch there, and then the market broke out, retested, and then you're going to put your selling orders there, thinking that the market will go down, but it's actually a trap. The market is not going to go down yet. The only time frame that you need to trust is the H4, because it gives accurate what you call results. So it gives accurate results. So this looks like a breakout retest, but it's actually not. So even here on the 15 minutes chart, it looks as if the market has broken out, but the market hasn't broken out as yet. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and enter my buys, because this thing is still going back inside that that trend line. So it's still going to go back inside. Let's just calculate our risk here. Let's just calculate our risk. So I think I can enter 2 positions there, or we can just even enter 4 positions on this, because I'm certain sure that the market will push to the back inside the trend line. So this is how the trend is. So the market will push to the trend line until the H4 gives us a confirmation. We are not trusting what is being printed here. So the only confirmation that we need is from the H4. So anything else, we won't regard it as a clear confirmation. The only confirmation we will trust is the confirmation that we get from the H4. So yeah, I've went with 4 positions because I've seen such setups before, and I know what these setups do. So they pretend as if they've broken out, but actually it's still going to go back inside the trend line. So as I've said, guys, you see this thing is really pushing to the upside. We're now at $8 profit, so it is really headed to the upside. So we'll just use the strategy. I'll just close all my positions here, and then after I close all these positions, I'm just going to enter the market again and then move with the market to the upside, so that if ever there is any pullbacks, we are not really affected by what the market does. So I've just closed at 18. Just going to put another 4 positions. So I'm just going to put 4 positions again, and then we capitalize, move with the markets to the upside. So now if ever there is any pullbacks, we not going to be affected. So TP just at the top there. So yeah, this is just where we are at now, and yeah, let's just run. So there we are. The market is really pushing to the upside. We're now in $30. I'm just going to go ahead and just close all my positions here. I'm just going to go ahead and look for another trading opportunity elsewhere. Yo, what's good, guys? So on the previous trade, we've managed to close at $30.12, and I've just spotted something amazing here on Volatility 50 index. So this is one of my favorite. This is a double top. In the previous videos, you've seen me trading a double bottom, so this is just the opposite, indicating a selling power. So at the moment, this is just where we are. The market has rejected to push to that upside. So this at the top, there is the area of confluence. The market failed to break there, so it needs to go down a bit to gain momentum. This is where the market gave us this consolidation a bit before pushing to the upside. So there's very high chance that the market will easily come back to the downside level there. So I'll just go ahead and just sell the market and then put my TP there, or even just somewhere around here. But for now we just leave it at where it is, because obviously we're going to close just before it gets to that level. So let's just visit the 30 minutes the 15 minutes time frame and then just see what's happening there. So this is just where we are at now. There's even high chance of the market pushing to the upside before dropping to the downside. But yeah, we'll just put one position, because volatility 50 index is a very volatile index. One wrong move, we might blow our whole account. So for now we just let the market run, and then we're running in 27 cents profit there. But this thing is still going to drop, so we just let it run, and then we'll just move with the markets to the downside. And then in terms of trend lines, this is just how you can draw the trend line. As you can see at the top there, it pretended like it's going to break out. Just at the top there, pretended like it's a breakout, but only for it to go back inside the trend line, go back again to retest this area, and then it will further push to the downside. So that retest was just the market gaining momentum to push to the downside. So this is just how we have it. And then for now, all we do is wait, let the market give us what we need, and just capitalize from that. So yeah guys, I'm just going to remove all these trend lines here and just keep things clean, and let the market do what it has to do. And it's also known as the M formation. So this is also known as the M formation, and the M has to finally form in order for the market to reach to the downside. So the M usually goes back to where the beginning of the first move to the upside happened. So there's high chance that the market will push to the downside. So it's also known as a double top, also known as a M formation, indicating a reversal to the downside.
One eternity later.
This is after a very long time of patiently waiting for the market to push to the downside. So the market respected our analysis, even though the M formation hasn't formed yet, but we are halfway to our target. So we're just halfway to the target. So from $30.12, we're now running in 51 point something dollars there. So I'm just going to go ahead and just call it a day, and then we'll just close this thing. So the market really pushed to the downside, because at this level the market really played around. We even had the spike here, which is a stop hunt, but because we are part of the no stop loss gang, then we were not affected by that. So I also just wanted to say thank you guys for 200 subscribers. It really means a lot, and it motivated me to make this video for you guys, and so that you can just enjoy. At the beginning of this video we only had 87 cents, but now we are in $50. So I'm just going to go ahead and close this, and then yeah, we've managed to close at $50.46. I think I've also over traded, so we'll just let things be and then just call it a day. So now we're at the nice part of the video where I get to withdraw the funds that I've traded. I had like 8 cents left in the wallet, so I'm just going to withdraw everything here. So there we go. Then $45.08 withdrawn. So yeah, thank you very much. I'll see you guys on the next video. So I'll just take my money and then go and enjoy it somewhere else.